The entrance to the Mediterranean garden at the Royal Botanical Gardens takes you past bright primulas on the road to discover a horticultural oddity, an agave that takes at least 10 years to bloom for the first time and the last time. The sulfur yellow flowers on an enormous stalk are blooming on this smooth agave. The common name smooth comes from the fact it is minus the barbs on the sides of the leaves that one sees on other agaves, so it's called people-friendly. It has been at the RBG Mediterranean Garden since 2008, patiently building this club-like stalk and impressive flowers for those many years. So much energy goes into the flower production that the agave dies when it is done blooming, and indeed the leaves are already starting to wither. However, before it wilts goodbye, it produces offsets, little side shoots that can be removed from the mother plant and planted and used to carry on the life cycle of this specific agave with its variegated leaves. This section of succulents and cacti at the Mediterranean Garden is lovely in its subtle beauty, enjoyable for the painterly leaves and the sometimes poignant flowers. I'm Kathy Runwald for thespec.com.